Hello, welcome to another episode here, Big Man in the Woods. Now it's Big Man in the back garden, not Big Man in the Woods, because lockdown continues. And this is the whole point of this vlog. It's camp at home using the hashtag camperhome. It runs all the way through April to the end of the month. And I thought, you know what, while the weather's quite nice, I'm going to camp out in the garden with the kids and see how it goes. So, got the kit. I'm going to go for the Vango Force 10 for this camp in the back garden. I've got to pack a kit bag and see what happens. Going to get the kids involved as well. Yeah, let's head out into the garden and see how camper home goes. Ground is rather stony. Not too bad there. Facilities are okay. Indoor accommodation, bar next door, shower inside, very kid friendly. Service crew are all good, and a little kind of DIY shed in case we forgot anything. Love this helium pillow from Decathlon, Keisha. Love, so comfy. So tent's pitched in the back garden. Next door's got the bar on, we've got the music. It's a bit like a festival today. Sunshine. Yeah, it's going to be good for back garden camping. Love it. Camping in the garden. Beautiful. Something that determines always a good campsite is the stock of wood. So let's check out the wood pile here in the back garden campsite. So we got some seasoned wood, some logs, some nicely chopped woods here as well, and some stocks. Not sure what that is. Got a barbecue there as well. Facilities aren't too bad here, I guess. Apart from this very spooky gnome. Check this gnome out. I've just spotted with his googly eyes. Also here I've spotted the Swedish torch and the washing machine fire. It's getting better. Got the lights on the tent. Look at these. Loving these LED lights. Yeah, see? Always bring Jaffa cakes. Trademark Jaffa cakes. Night one in camper home, scout lockdown, camping in your garden, or even indoors while we're in lockdown with the scouts. Yeah, so I've been in the social club, otherwise known as my living room. Long walk to the garden, gonna settle down for the night and listen to the wildlife, see who actually comes to the garden. Yeah, be interesting. So just before night time, I'm just going to recap over the rules of camp at home, this virtual camp that's running this weekend. In fact, it's running all the way until the April the 30th, but scouts are really pushing to do this bank holiday weekend. Okay, so the rules are you've got to pack a bag, which I've done, pitch the tent or build a tent, den, hammock, something like that. I've got my Vango Force 10 up, got the sleep in the shelter, this is it. Build a campfire, or virtual campfire, I've done that. We made an indoor campfire. Take part in a scout activity. So what have I done today? I've done some whittling, making some little forest animals kind of stuff. We played Kim's game with the kids, so that was quite good fun. Help cook a meal, done that. And you must create a video photo blog using the hashtag camp at home. I think we've done that, haven't we? So that's the rules. Yeah, let's see what it's like sleeping in the back garden, see what wildlife and stuff is out and about. Right, let's turn this by, get changed, good night, sleep tight. Right guys, see you in the morning. Night. I can see the lights, I left the lights on. Oh God. You know what, it's like, put this on. It's like when you're just getting in your sleeping bag, isn't it? And then you realise you need a pee. Just realised I left the lights on the outside of the tent. Let's go and turn them off. Pesky foxes. Can hear them out there. I guess it's mating season, so they're talking. So I think it's just gone midnight. So have a little midnight snack. Why not? Oh, it's got to be done. Jaffa cakes at camping. Love it. Right. Hopefully these foxes aren't going to be too noisy all night. See how it goes. Oh, morning, guys. 6:30. Just woke up. Birds woke me up. Good night's sleep. I just woke up once because of the fox. But all in all, a good night's sleep on camper home in your back garden. Yay! An excuse for a bit of camping. Shame the kids weren't here, but hey. So guys, whatever you're doing, get inspired. Camp indoors, camp outdoors, make a den from sheets in the bed. If you're doing it in the living room, or if you're going to be like me, come in your back garden, upload those pictures, upload a vlog, use this hashtag camperhome and lockdown scouting. Yeah, it's been good. I might have a little bit in English. That was, I might have another half an hour. Yeah, let's go back to sleep. Right, let's get some bacon on. Time for breakfast. Something quite nice. Making bacon on the stove, isn't there? Let's see if it's crispy enough. Not yet. The question is, how crispy do you like your bacon? Yeah. So got that. Service crew. They didn't bring me any breakfast this morning, so I made my own brew. Oh, nothing beats a fresh brew in the morning, does it? Bacon, cup of tea. What more do you want on camper home weekend? Loving this idea. Oh. Great bacon sandwich, cooked mighty fine, if I may say so, on the camping stove. Right, well that's it. I think I'm gonna head inside, go and see what the service crew are up to, and then continue another day in lockdown. Guys, I'd love to see what you've been up to in your camper home. Use that hashtag, tag me in your stuff, and I'd love to see your creations of your indoor tents. What did you do? Right, speak to you next time, guys. Till next time, don't forget, subscribe, like, Big Man of the Woods, and I will speak to you very, very soon. If you want some more tips and tricks about camping and scouting, click the links just on the side. Remember, leave no trace, even if you're in your back garden. And the reason you check is you think you've got all your tent pegs, and then you realize you find a tent peg. So always check your ground for rubbish, burnt patches, and tent pegs.